Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can adjust or customize the line color of lines you draw in LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that blank page here and start with a line by using this tool here to the left hand, or on the left hand side, insert line, left click, hold the left mouse and release it, and that is going to insert your line. Now there are two ways how you can customize the line color. Option number one, you select this option just below the select tool here, click into the drop down menu and select the color, and you will see the color changing here. Option number two, you make sure that you have the select tool selected, click into your line and open the sidebar to the right and navigate to the selected shapes or lines properties here in the top right. And here guys, expand line or the line tab and click into the color tab and pick a color from here. You may also go with a custom color and use, for instance, that menu to pick a color here. For example, let me go with this one, click into OK, and that's how your line would look like. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.